In this video, I am going to show you two awesome websites from which you can make some good income online. These are the websites which are really easy to use, does not require any skills, and there are no country barriers. Okay, so you can do this all over the world and start earning money as soon as possible with these websites. Okay, you can do this on your laptop, you can do this on your smartphone, any device is fine for these websites. But before we jump into our awesome juicy content, just smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you, so you can take the first mover's advantage and make maximum money as soon as possible. So now let's get started. The first websites which we are gonna utilize for this method is known as grabpoints.com. Now you can earn money just by watching TV, okay, answering surveys as well as completing offers, which is really simple and easy to do. And you can sign up with Facebook as well as with your Google accounts on this website. Okay, so you can see advertisers pay money on this brand to get more exposure, and you are just filling out the you are just watching videos, taking service, completing offers, downloading apps, and you will be making money. Okay, so free gift cards, or you can earn PayPal cash from this website. Okay, so this is the best thing about this website. And you can also get Amazon gift cards if you are interested in that. And many of the people are already working on this website, and it has a very high Trustpilot rating. So if you are a complete beginner who has never made a dime online, then definitely you can come to this website and start earning your first dollar online. Okay, it's really simple, really easy to utilize, and many of the people are utilizing it. Okay, so now let's go to the second website. Now this is a little bit of an advanced website. It is known as branded service. Okay, so you can see you will get 100 points when you just sign up for this website. Just provide your email, your password, and or you can also sign up with Facebook on this website, which is really awesome and really simple. How do online survey website? Create your profile, okay, and share your opinion, and you will be collecting the rewards. You can see over here, would the company pay me for online service? So you can read all this. Okay, they have given all the information provided over here. Okay, and you can see they really pay people for this. Okay, our survey website scammer legit, so definitely this is 100% legit website. Don't worry about that. I will never promote a scam website on this channel. Okay, so you can see promising all this stuff. They are providing all this information, and you can withdraw your money utilizing Amazon, PayPal, or even Apple Pay. Okay, so they take all this time, they pay you money in all these ways. Okay, and you can see how much money will I make. So they are selling over some people pay 50 points, while the longer you devote to service could pay 100 points. Members who qualify loyalty program earn even more. You can see 100 points are equal to $1. Our minimum payouts is $5. Okay, so you can see once you get 500 points on this website, you will be paid $5. Okay, and you can ask for a payout from this website. So if you want to make money taking service, then definitely go and sign up for this awesome website that is known as service.gobranded.com, as well as also join this grabpoints.com. Now join both of this website and start working on simultaneously with both this website, so that you can make extra money. If you are earning $5 from this website and then also earning $5 from this website, that equals to $10 per day which you are earning utilizing this websites. Okay, so that can be $300 every single month side income for yourself. So if you got some value out of this video, and if you are going to work on this website, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video.